Sa pagdiriwang ng 25th anniversary, pinarangalan ng Genera Grand Mall ang mga loyal tenants na naging bahagi ng kanilang success story sa ginanap na Tenants Appreciation Day noong Biyernes, October 17. Pinangunahan ni TSB Realty and Development Corporation General Manager Byron John C. na ginanap sa Angeles City.
So today we celebrate one of our events for the 25-year anniversary. It's our Tenants Appreciation Day. So we've invited all our tenants who have been with us through all the years to celebrate and give back to them for the fruitful partnership that we had for the past 25 years.
Ayon kay C, naging icon in Angeles City na ang Genera Grand Mall na nagsisilbing go-to destination ng mga Kapampangan para sa kanilang araw-araw na pangangailangan. Itinatag ni Tan Song Bok ang Genera noong dekada 70 at ngayon ay may 6 ng sangay sa buong Pampanga, patunay ng patuloy nitong paglago at tiwala ng mga mamimili.
It is always the goal of the Genera brand to always provide quality service at the lower cost. It has been always our advocate to bring the cheapest products to our community because we all know how difficult life is right now. And it has always been our dream of making the lives of every Angeleños better.
Dagdag pa ni C, may mga pipeline projects na nakatakdang ilunsad sa mga susunod na taon upang mas mapaganda pa ang mall experience ng mga Kapampangan.
Of course, in the next coming years, the Genera brand will still continue to grow. There are pipeline projects to make the lives of every Angeleños better. And we will make sure to continue to deliver quality service at the lowest possible cost for everyone.
Mula sa isang simpleng community store, ngayon ay isa ng homegrown retail brand na simbolo ng sipag, tiyaga at malasakit sa kapwa. Tunay na Kapampangan pride ang Genera Grand Mall. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.